favor, Pastor Sulit ang lamang. Score is 59-58. 1 point lead. By the Pastors, number 9. Sino na, please? Number 7 at the side, double rebound by number 06, Dalisay. Dalisay. Kumusing. Wala pa rin, Dalisay. Kabila na lang. Ayaw lang sa kabila eh. Doon na lang. Apat na ang kalamangan ng taas. Foul. Blocking foul number 21, Gutierrez. Substitution rep. Number 21, his second personal foul. First team foul. Dalawa. Number 17, inbounding the ball to number 32. Isa. Offensive foul. Pushing foul. Number 32. Third personal foul. Ironman. Number 9. So number 21, Gutierrez. After 3. Double rebound by number 32 Isla to number 21, Segovia. At the middle is in right shot for 2. What a move.